How to fix theme option not showing in Instagram. So first is to make sure that your Instagram application is updated to its latest form. So to do that, just head over to Play Store if you're an Android user or App Store if you're an iOS user. And then search for Instagram and then open Instagram. So if there's an update button available, tap that button for the application to start updating. So once done, open the application and see if the issue has been resolved. If not, then open the Instagram application. Tap your profile icon located on the lower right corner. Tap the menu icon or the three horizontal lines located on the upper right corner. So scroll down to the bottom and you will see this option, log out. Or if you have multiple accounts, you can select log out of all accounts. After logging out, restart your phone and then log back in and see if the issue has been fixed. If this did not work, try clearing your cache. So to clear your cache, just head over to Settings, scroll down until you see Apps. Use the search icon located on the top right corner, and then search for Instagram. Scroll down and select Storage. On the bottom, you will see Clear Cache. Just tap that, and now your cache has been cleared. Now open Instagram and see if the issue is fixed. However, if all of these still did not work, the last thing that you can do is to uninstall the Instagram application and reinstall it again. Just tap and hold the application and tap Uninstall. Once the application has been uninstalled, restart your phone and then reinstall the application again. To reinstall the application, just go to Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, and then tap Install. So usually the install button is located in this area. And so those are the ways on how to fix theme option not showing in Instagram. Thank you and have a great day.